This is called kick. I kick the soccer ball into the goal.
This is called dribble. I dribble the basketball across the court.
This is called swing. I swing the golf club and hit the ball far away.
This is called throw. I throw the baseball to my teammate.
This is called catch. I catch the fast baseball with my glove.
This is called jump. I jump over the hurdle during the race.
This is called dive. I dive into the swimming pool.
This is called skate. I skate smoothly through the park.
This is called serve. I serve the tennis ball across the court.
This is called lift. I lift the heavy barbell above my shoulders. He wants to, the soccer ball into the goal. C, kick. She can, the basketball across the court. A, dribble. He uses a golf club to the ball. A, swing. Please, the baseball to your teammate. B, throw. The player uses a glove to the ball. I, catch. She needs to over the hurdle. C, jump. He is ready to into the swimming pool. A, dive.